Welcome on the Hard Reset Tricks channel, and today I'm gonna show you best tricks for beginners on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Enjoy watching! So I was using this smartphone for a little while, and based on my personal usage of this device and overall experience in years in tech tutorials, I can tell you all of the most important features that you can set up after first activation of your device. I will show you all of the options that you should know about, and let's start with opening the settings. Then let's move on to the battery. I'm the person who likes always see the exact battery power instead of looking only at icon. So at first you should scroll down to these settings and make sure that you enable show battery percentage. It's very helpful. You should do it. Of course, if you like only icon, that depends on your preferences. So be aware of that. I'm not trying to show you the best options. I just give you opportunity to do it for yourself and decide for yourself. So move on to the display. Here you have all of the features that you can use to customize your display. Let me show you the most important ones. So you should enable accidental touch protection. It protects your phone from accidental touches when it's in the dark place, such as a pocket or a bag. So if you miscall someone in the past, or I don't know, open some applications by mistake, or type any messages from a packet or bag, then you should know it's very stressing, and I don't like the feeling after that. I have to tell my friend that I miscall him. So this is not good. If you enable this option, you won't have such situation anymore. So it is a very useful feature. After that, you should think about the touch sensitivity. If you're using the screen protector, then you should enable this option. It increases the touch sensitivity of the screen while the screen protector is on the screen. So you should think about it and make sure that you enable it if you're using one. I don't have the screen protector, so I don't have this option on. After that, let's move to the navigation bar, because if you are a fresh user of this device, you should decide if you want to navigate on this smartphone by using a three buttons method or a swipe gestures. I'm a person who likes the three buttons navigation, and I've been tested a lot of major brands smartphones, and I always work on three buttons navigation, but of course you can do whatever you want. If you choose the more three buttons navigation, then you can get into the more options to choose a layout. If you want the back button on the right or on the left, depends on your needs and what you used to. After that, the next important thing, screen timeout. Screen timeout. Choose a time after which your screen goes off. So for me it's 10 minutes of inactive time, of course, because I'm recording this video, so 10 minutes works for me, but most of the users choose something between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. That time is proper for normal usage of the smartphone. You can always turn on this option here, keep screen on while viewing. So if you're looking at the smartphone using the front camera, your device will detect your face, so it won't locked, or I don't know, the screen not going dark or black. You know what I mean. So yeah, the screen timeout. And the next thing, I think the most important in this section here, the motion smoothness. Here you have to adjust your screen refresh rate. I can recommend you the adaptive refresh rate. It gives you up to 120 Hz, which is a very good amount for smartphones these days. Well, you get the smoother animations and scrolling is looking better. There is no hangs or lags like in standard mode. because standard mode gives you the 60 Hz, so you can double it by using the adaptive option. On the preview here you can see on the left the adaptive option is looking just way better than a standard one. On the right we can see these lags, we can see these hangs, so it's not good for an eye and for your stress level. So yeah, choose the adaptive screen refresh rate and get to the main page of settings. After display and battery, you should get into the home screen, where you can adjust the size of an applications. If you want to see the labels of applications on the home screen, if you wish to enable or disable the widget labels also, you should decide for yourself. After that you can choose the grid for a home screen, app screens and folder. You can choose a layout if you want to applications, if you want to have the page for applications or only home screen, depends of your needs. And few more not necessarily important features. I'm not gonna talk about them. Let's get to the other options, lock screen and AOD. Here you can set up the I have already added the screen lock, but here you can choose if you want to use a PIN, password, pattern swipe, if you don't want to use any of the screen lock methods, but I recommend you to use one because as you can know, we have a lot of personal data on our device, and some thief can use it against you, so make sure that you have a screen lock. You also can have face recognition and fingerprints. Choose your method and make sure that you're using at least one. Alright, let's get back. Now you should know that is the Samsung Galaxy Flip phone. So if I flip this phone, I have a front little screen. I can move on this screen by using also the pattern to unlock it. I have a space for applications and my notifications. So what we can do here in the settings that I wish to show you, you get to the cover screen and we can manage our cover screen. So we can choose a dim. There are a few available ones. We also can add a new one. Or yeah, after that, if you choose the dim, you can go into the widgets and manage the widgets if you want them in the front page or a second page. Depends of your needs, of course. You can add few quick access tiles that wish you to that will get into the proper place in settings, or see some informations. For example, if you choose the battery, that is a funny thing because the battery percentage gives you look for all of the Samsung devices that you have connected with your smartphone. So you see the smartphone battery percentage, you see the Galaxy Watch, Galaxy Ring and also Galaxy Buds. So yeah, you can just choose whatever you want and it will be added to your cover screen. Next is a screen timeout. You can choose the exact time after which this little screen goes off. I have 10 seconds. I think it's the most proper option here because I use this device for a little long time, and from my experience I can tell you that 10 seconds is a good option to have. Maybe 5 seconds, but 10 seconds is also good. Sorry for that, I left these settings. Let's get me into it one more time, because the last thing is notifications. You can switch it on or off. You can show notification pop-up even while screen is off, or you can set up the quick responses, choose from default ones, or enter your own quick response message. After that, you should get into the advanced features. Here you should know about the side button function, because double pressing the power button gives you quick access to the camera, or long pressing the power button give you access to the digital assistance by Google or digital assistance by Samsung, which is Bixby, or it opens the power of menu. I can tell you that the digital assistance by Google is way more better than Samsung Bixby. If you're a fan of Bixby, then it's totally fine with me, but I like to use Google Assistance. I think it's better, it responds better. So yeah, that was it. The double pressing camera, it is very helpful. As you can know, we sometimes have to make a quick photo or record some video of a wild animal, and you have only a few seconds to do it, so it's worse than opening the smartphone, unlocking it, find the proper icon, and then open the camera. What you have to do is just, if you have locked your screen, grab the smartphone and press double the power button, which opens the camera, of course. So yeah, we also have this icon here that you can set up. You just need to drag it from the place of the icon to middle, and the camera will be open also. But I think the power button is way more better, for me at least. So that was all of the features that I wish to show you. Maybe there is another thing, and it's a tab menu. So to open the tab menu, you have to swipe down your finger from the right upper corner to the bottom of the screen. And here we have a few available tiles that give quick access to the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. We can change the brightness. We can hold our finger on the brightness and get three another options. The extra brightness is extremely good if you are outside during a day and it's shiny day. We have a lot of issues to actually look at something on the display because it's too bright on the outside. And this smartphone gives you possibility to enable the extra brightness, so the level of brightness of the maximum brightness is not enough. Then you can turn the extra brightness on, and it gives you obviously better brightness. And trust me, you will see everything on the display, no matter where you are. So that was it. And here we have, of course, changing music, turning on the D&D mode or silent mode, and few other things. The most important things are these tiles here, giving us quick access to some features. We can unroll them and see what we can do. We can do everything that is showed in here, but we can also click the pencil here, and we can click here to edit this menu, and we can rearrange these tiles. So hold your finger on any tile and drag it in a place you wish to use. For example, take screenshot. I always place it in a second row in here because I'm used to it. The available tiles are here and they are not visible. You have to add them to the tab menu. So what you have to do is just press on it, hold the finger and drag it to the tab menu. If you finish, then you have to press the done button and one more time done to save all of the changes that you made, and then enjoy using your tab menu. So this is very important. You should customize it to your own preferences and needs. That was all. If you like this video, then leave a comment and of course subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye and see you in the next video.